Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to turn off X sensitive content. And all you have to do is to enter the X application and then tap on your profile. From there, you're going to tap on settings and support. Then you're going to tap on settings and privacy. From there, you are going to tap on privacy and safety, and then you're going to tap on content you see. From there, you're going to tap on the sensitive media first, and then when it comes to graphics, you're going to make sure that you put it on never show this. Going to go back, and then adult content, you're going to put it at never show this. I'm going to even choose the other from 1 to never show this. We're going to go back again, and then we're going to tap on the search settings, and then you're going to toggle this off. And then that's it for this video. I do hope that it did help, and I'll see you guys on the next video.